Hello and welcome to the Graduate Online Virtual Open House for the Human Capital Development Program at LaSalle University. My name is Lynette Clement and I am the Program Director for the Online Human Capital Development Program, which is one of our graduate programs here at LaSalle. The Human Capital Development Program is aligned with the recommended requirements for HR degree programs as outlined by SHRM, the Society for Human Resources Management curriculum. So today we will go over some general university information regarding the program, and then I'll save time at the end for questions and answers. So thank you for your interest in LaSalle University. The mission of the graduate studies at LaSalle University is to enable students to augment their academic background to acquire both practical and theoretical knowledge that they can immediately apply those competencies in their professional careers. So the faculty are practitioner educators who allow students to work independently as well as collaboratively during group projects. So LaSalle University was founded by the Christian Brothers and have been educating and transforming lives since 1863. So we offer courses both online as well as in the classroom, both at the undergraduate and graduate level. We have graduate programs and we have certificate programs as well. So we educate learners across around 82 countries, and with the LaSallian schools we have about 23 graduate programs or so, and our main campus is located in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. We also have two other campuses in Plymouth Meeting and another campus in Bucks County. So again, thank you for your interest in the Human Capital Development Program. The mission of the program is to provide students with a comprehensive understanding of how Human Capital Development Framework links the organization's workplace with the bottom line, and it also enables students with the ability to both diagnose complex strategic challenges facing human capital development professionals, as well as provide them with innovative solutions, strategies to those challenges. The program goals and objectives is that the Human Capital Development Program will teach learners how to serve as internal and external advisors to managements at all levels, to ensure that faculty are current in their knowledge of human capital development topics that are relevant and applicable to what you can apply immediately in the workplace. Students will also learn how to develop, implement, and measure strategic human capital plans for their organization, and also learn how to improve the workforce over time by meeting the organization's people, mission, goals, as well as objectives. So again, the program is delivered 100% online. The courses are offered in an 8-week back-to-back format, which allows students the opportunity to focus on taking one course at a time, with the exception of the capstone course that is offered through a 15-week time frame in your senior semester. So there are 12 course requirements for the online Master of Science in Human Capital Development program, and it generally takes students 2 years to complete the master's program, provided that they successfully complete 2 courses each semester. So we offer courses in spring, summer, as well as the fall semester. We also offer the Human Capital Development Program as a certificate option, which takes 1 year to complete, and there are 6 course requirements for the certificate program, and yes, the certificate program courses are transferable to the master's program. So students in the program are gainfully employed and hired by Fortune 100 to 500 companies. So on your screen here you will see an outline of the course requirements for the Master of Science in Human Capital Development program and when those courses are offered. So it's important that when you are registered for a course that you take the courses as they are sequenced, because in the Human Capital Development program the courses are offered on an annual basis, as you can see outlined here on the curriculum progress chart. So make sure that you follow the progress chart to avoid being delayed in your anticipation of completion time. So courses could also be canceled in any semester due to low enrollment. We offer a Human Capital Development Certificate program, which is half of the master's program. So you would have to successfully complete 6 courses if you were a student in the Human Capital Certificate program. And those 6 courses are outlined here on the screen. And those 6 courses are transferable to our master's program. So you will also see the semesters in which those courses are offered. So as you can see, none of the courses in the certificate program are offered during the summer semester. They are only offered in spring and fall semesters. So it is important that when those courses come around, you enroll in those courses to avoid delaying your anticipated graduation date. Graduate students are able to transfer in a maximum of 6 transferable graduate credits. However, they must be determined by the program director, which is myself, and to be able to see if the courses that you have completed at the graduate level are transferable here to LaSalle, you must provide me with a course syllabus or course description of the course that you are interested in seeking possible transfer credit for. And the course must be a graduate level course taken at an accredited institution, and you must have earned a grade of B or better. We here at LaSalle have an online application process, and we have rolling admissions, so we accept students in fall, spring, and summer semesters. So you would have to go online to our website to complete an online application, and the link to the website is linked here in the slide that you see. It's lasalle.edu/grad. You will complete an online application and submit the admission material so that an admission decision can be determined by myself, the program director. So I review your admission material, and then I contact the admissions office to let them know what the decision is, and then you will be contacted regarding your next steps. So the admission material is as followed. There is a graduate application that is required that you can complete online for free. You also have to submit 2 letters of recommendation from professional references. You also have to submit a current professional resume, as well as an official college transcript that includes the conferral date of your undergraduate degree. You also have to complete a 500-word essay outlining why you are interested in the program, as well as your career goals. So the GRE or GMAT are not requirements for the Human Capital Development Program. So most of the admission material can be submitted online during the application process, and then other materials such as the official transcript can be mailed to LaSalle University, 1900 West Alany Avenue, Philadelphia, PA 19141, to the Office of Graduate and Adult Enrollment. The information is listed here on the screen as well. The current tuition and fees are also listed here on the screen before you. The tuition is per credit, and all of the courses in the program are 3 credit courses. There is also a part-time technology fee, which is listed here, that's applicable every semester. There's also a general university fee that is listed here that is also applicable every semester. There's also a one-time graduation fee that is included as well. So there are 36 total credits required for the Masters of Science in Human Capital Development, and there are 18 total credit requirements for the Certificate in Human Capital Development program. So again, students who are interested in the certificate program must apply to the certificate program, and the certificate courses are transferable to the master's program. So we also offer a graduate deferred payment plan option, which you can discuss with our student and accounts receivable office. And we also have an employer cohort tuition incentive program that we offer through our admissions office that ranges from a reduction of 10% to 20% discount on the tuition depending on your employer. So to find out if your employer qualifies for any of our tuition discount incentive programs, you can contact the adult enrollment office at 215-951-1100. So the Masters of Science in Human Capital Development program is a fully online program. So it's the certificate program here. We offer online courses in a learning management system called Canvas, and Canvas is where your online courses will be housed. On the MyLaSalle portal, which you will see to the right side of your screen, is a screenshot of what the MyLaSalle portal screen looks like. When you click on Tools, a drop-down menu box will appear, and you would select Canvas to access your online courses. Now, some instructors also incorporate a synchronous or live session. It works similar to a webinar such as this one, and they incorporate those as a way for students to present final PowerPoint presentations at the end of the semester, or as a way for a live lecture, for instructors to present a live lecture using Zoom. So again, those sessions are live sessions. They are usually scheduled during the evening hours, and they will be listed on course syllabus as well as in Canvas if an instructor does incorporate the Zoom sessions. Now, the Zoom sessions are also recorded and archived for students who cannot always participate live. So you can expect in an online course is to post to weekly discussion questions, submit paper assignments, conduct case studies, final presentations, as well as work collaboratively in group work for various assignments. So each instructor will design their course expectations differently, so you will know by your course syllabus what each course expectation is. So our educator practitioners help students to engage in higher level thinking by applying, analyzing, synthesizing, and evaluating concepts similar to Bloom's taxonomy. They also demonstrate mastery of current literature and content, identify and use primary sources for research that are assigned for assignment purposes. They also help students to work independently and collaboratively, as well as demonstrate proficiency in oral and written communication, apply good time management skills, and contribute actively to the learning process, staying actively engaged in the discussion forums. Some of the career options for students who graduate with a Master of Science in Human Capital Development are Human Resources Professionals, Training and Development Specialists, Workplace and Career Coaching, Human Capital Strategist, Organizational and Talent Development Manager, and Equal Employment Opportunity Manager, just to name a few. You can also get in touch with our Career and Employment Services office to find out if there are job opportunities available while you are a student here at LaSalle University. So some of the support services that are available to students in the program are: you are assigned an academic advisor. You are also equipped with the student help desk, which helps you if you have technical difficulties accessing your LaSalle email or your Canvas course. You also have a reference librarian through our Connolly Library that can assist you with conducting scholarly research, as well as assistance through our Academic Resources Center that provides students with subject tutoring as well as writing assistance. And you also have access to our Career and Employment Services Department, which helps students with resume writing, practicing good techniques for interview skills, as well as provide listings of job opportunities. So you can stay connected to LaSalle on our social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, as well as our specific Human Capital Development LinkedIn group, and the links are included on the website that you see before you. Some important contact information of widely used offices is listed here. Again, that's my contact information as the program director. The Office of Graduate Enrollment if you have application questions or want to check on the status of your application. The Financial Aid Office if you are having questions about how to apply for financial aid, or you want to check on the status of your financial aid eligibility, the financial aid office number is listed there. If you have questions regarding tuition and billing, the student and accounts receivable office number is listed there as well. Let's take a look at a brief video of a testimonial from one of our alumni from the Human Capital Development Program, Mr. Sharon Mitchell, who graduated with the class of 2017, to talk about why he chose LaSalle, and perhaps you will too. So thank you again for your interest in LaSalle University's online Master of Science in Human Capital Development program. Now is the time for question and answers. So thank you for your time and attention. And now you can either type your questions in the chat box area, or you can ask your questions out loud. Thank you.